Wow, that's all by hand.
Yes, yes, that's all by hand.
We feel like we're right there touching the fabric.
This one is pretty special. It's hard to find anywhere else in Thailand.
Oh, okay. Maybe when we go to Thailand, we need to go eat.
Okay, okay.
So you
Okay.
just gave Juke something new to do. Can you ship those to the United States?
Ship that, of course.
So people don't necessarily, do people go there to eat the food or to give it to the gods?
Chinese people bring to God, and then when finish ceremony, they will eat them.
Ah, okay.
Ah.